Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I would love for you to subscribe. In today's video I showed you how I did this look. It's a smoky matte brown eye and a dark red lip, as you can see, and yeah, I thought this would be a cute video to get started with autumn. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Also, camera is broken. Basically my battery charger is just not working at the moment, so half of this video is filmed on my iPhone as I now cannot recharge my battery, so that's great. So until I get that fixed, all future videos are going to be filmed on the iPhone, unfortunately, which is just as frustrating for me as it is for you, but hopefully I will get a new charger soon, and I'm hoping to upgrade my camera as well, so better quality videos will be coming shortly, so just bear with me. But enough about that, time to get into the video. I hope you enjoy. Okay, let's get started on the eye. So I'm gonna prime my eye with my usual, it's the Revolution concealer in the shade C2, and I just pop it on like so. And I'm just going to blend it out with a flat concealer brush. And just blend it up here as well. Okay, so I'm going in with the Norvina palette, and I'm starting off with the shade Incense, this one, on a fluffy brush like so. I'm just tapping that off and then just blending that through the crease. And really just like buff it in. And then I'm just going to drag it out. So we want to make like a cat eye winged effect with the shadow. And then also bringing it in to the outer corner. I'd say about like halfway across the lid. And I'm just going to take another blending brush, this is actually clean, and just blend out the edge of that shadow. Now I'm taking this brush here and taking the colour Passion, which is this shade here, and I'm just blending that into the outer corner and just place it like that, and then just start to use circular motions to blend it out. And then I'm going to go back in with this fluffy brush and blend the edge. So that's how I'm leaving the eye. I'm going to stick on my lashes now. I'm using the Lily lashes. These were in my Beauty Bay haul. They're in the, I was about to say they're in the shade. They're in the style Ella. So what I use is Duo Lash Glue. Mine is all manky, so it's about that. And just apply it on the band. And then I wait for about like 10 to 15 seconds to let the glue set. Oh my god, I haven't put mascara on. Okay, whilst I'm leaving that to dry down a little bit, I'm just going to use my mascara for my top lashes. Let's stick these lashes down. I don't really have a technique for this, I just sort of fiddle around with them until I get them how I want them. I'm gonna fill in my brow now because I've already done this one. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade medium brown with an Anastasia brush. This is the, I think it's number 12 brush. And yeah, I'm just gonna fill them in. Okay, basically don't even talk to me about my brows because I need to pluck them, and so yeah, it's an issue. But that's just how it's going to be. I'm going to set the outside of them with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. Mine is in dark brown, which is too dark. So I just use it on the outside. Oh, okay. Do you see that? Great, I just drew on my eye. That's fine. Okay, I'm hoping once again that I have enough battery to do this part. Great. So yeah, let's get into skin. That would be a good idea. So I'm going to use my Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Latte, and I'm not going to mix it because I've got tan on, so it should be okay. So I'm just putting like 3 pumps. I've just done that, great. On my brush, and I'm just going to dot them around and blend that in. I think if I wore this on holiday with a tan, it'd actually be too light for me once I've been out in the sun. It's looking a bit light. I thought it was darker than this, to be honest. But oh well. I can darken it up with cream contour and bronzer. So going on to my favourite part, concealer. I'm using the Fenty Beauty. Did I just say it really weird? Concealer. This is in the shade 145, and I'm just going to put that. I'm just going to put that under my eyes and on my forehead and nose. For cream contour, I'm going to try out a new product. This is the Born This Way concealer in Toffee, and I haven't used a actual like liquid to do contour. Oh my god, why am I getting so confused? That was really simple to say. Me again. So I did the same thing that I done last time. I basically haven't charged up my camera, so I've switched to my iPhone. So yeah, sorry, that's really annoying. But anyway, as I was saying, I've never used a concealer or a liquid to do cream contour, so we'll see how this goes. It's going to be a bit of like trial and error probably. So just gonna, I don't know if I should just put it on my hand actually. Oh my god, I'm scared. Right, okay. Okay. It looks extreme now, but bear with me. If you're going to be using this concealer, just be aware that it dries pretty quickly. We can fix this. I need to stop using that mirror because you can't see anything that I'm doing. Okay, that's gonna have to be the best I can do with that. Okay, less is more with that product, just an FYI. Yeah, that's gonna take some practicing. So I'm just baking now with the Revolution translucent powder. So with this contour, I'm just trying to blend it out a little bit with this powder. It's not such a harsh line on my face, which in person there isn't, but it may look different on camera. So whilst I leave that to bake, I'm going to, why am I talking like that? I'm going to set that contour with this Too Faced bronzer. It's the Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade Medium Deep. Just going over that area. So I'm just going to wipe off that powder now, and what I do is blend it down into my cream contour. Just soften everything. Blend that out. And for blush, I'm using my Milani blusher. This is Luminoso. If I can open it. With this brush. And I just tap it on like so. Now I'm going to highlight using my Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just using an eyeshadow brush to do this because I used my highlight brush as my saving grace for that contour, so just improvising. So I'm going to finish off underneath the eyes now, and I'm going to use, so I'm going to go in first with that shade Incense, me and my lisp, that shade Incense, and just put that underneath. And then going in with the shade Passion, and I'm going to use that on the outer corner. Then taking my mascara and going underneath my eyes. Okay, I know this is a matte look, but I'm going to put some inner corner highlight on. So I'm going to use the shade Dreamer from the palette. I'm just going to use my finger and tap it on. Ooh, that's really bright. I'm still undecided as to whether to do a dark lip or a nude, but I figured as this is a like autumn makeup tutorial, I'm going to go for the dark one. And I also haven't done a dark lip yet, and I haven't worn one in ages, so I'm going to put it on, see how it goes. If I don't like it, I'll take it off. So the lip products that I'm using are the lip liner from MAC called Dark Out, and this D is for Danger, also from MAC. So I'm just going to line my lips. I'm so glad I went for the dark one. Like, how glam is this? I'm going to film the outro on my camera once it's charged, so I will see you in a second. So as you saw at the beginning of this video, obviously I can't film the outro on my cameras, the camera battery has broken, but anyway, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, it means so much to me. If you could leave this video a big thumbs up, that would be amazing, and any requests please let me know. But other than that, I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.